Welcome everybody here to the Steel City Break Room. Up next, got some boxes here ready to be broken, going out to AP. 2 boxes of 2015 Allen and Ginter, 2 boxes of Panini Cooperstown, and a box of 2015 Bowman Inception. Let's get things started. Best of luck to you, AP, and thanks once again. Alright, on Inception, we have an auto relic of Francisco Lindor. Follow that up, Aaron Blair, Rymir Liriano, Aaron Nola, and Kevin Plawecki. Alright. What's up next? Alright. Cooperstown. It's the first time I'd be able to break this. Let's see what we got waiting for us inside. Alright, I guess I gotta go this way. There we go. You miss me or something? Alright, coming up out of Cooperstown, Armed Forces of Phil Rizzuto. Cooperstown Induction, Bill Mazeroski. Etched in Cooperstown, Bert Blyleven and Harmon Killebrew. Crown Royal die cut of Stan Musial. Musial is numbered out of 75. And so far, the Musial there, that's out of 75. Next up, we have Doug Harvey. It's going to be numbered 14 of 25. Alright, we got names of the game, Bill Mazeroski. And an autograph card of Fergie Jenkins. Class of 1991. Fergie Jenkins. Up next, Redemption, featuring an autograph of Monty Irvin. Got Raleigh Fingers out of 25. Red Shotteneist out of 35. George Kelly and Ty Cobb. On these Cooperstowns, you just want the numbered cards and hits. Calm down, boys. Happy Monday to everybody. Put a smile on everybody's face. Alright, we got Armed Forces of Charlie Gehringer. Cooperstown Induction, Doug Harvey. Etched in Cooperstown, Dizzy Dean. That's going to be number 20 of 25. Crown Royale die cut, Tommy Lasorda, numbered 6 of 10. Hack Wilson Crown Royale die cut. Vernon Goofy Gomez. Autograph card, Gaylord Perry. Next after that, autograph of Paul Molitor. Jim Bottomley, 24 of 25. Another Jim Bottomley, 1 of 5. And we have Raleigh Fingers with a 1 of 1. Nice box there, AP. 1 of 1 of Raleigh Fingers. And final card, Barry Larkin. Awesome. All right, rounding this out, 2 boxes of Allen and Ginter. Broke a bunch of boxes of these when they came out. Pretty cool. Let's get started off on the box topper. Gonna have St. Basil's Cathedral. Pride of the People set. Alright, let's see what's inside of here. That's the starting points inserts. Oh, we're not gonna rip cards in here. Got some pretty sweet mini relics in here. Carlos Gomez frame mini. Alright, yep, just anything you want, let me know. A lot of these hits are very far in between. Know that for sure. I think we did like 6 boxes and only had 2 or 3 autographs. It's a 10th anniversary issue, Grady Sizemore. Tenth anniversary issue of Scott Kazmir. Alright, first hit, we got a jersey swatch, Evan Longoria. Alright, next hit, we got a framed purple mini. Going to be of Leonis Martin. Jersey swatch. Next up, we have used memorabilia of Brian Windhorst. It's like a clothing relic. Alright, moving on to the second box of Ginter. Let's see what we got here on the box topper. Alright, here comes a Rusney Castillo jersey box topper. That's going to be number 20 of 25. Pretty cool. Next up, a autographed mini of Freddie Freeman. Next up, a game used jersey swatch of Chris Davis. A little dirt stain there. Chris Davis game used jersey swatch. 10th anniversary mini of the Man in the Iron Mask. Mysterious Figures. Neat. That's what I love about these products like Ginter and Goodwin. Addison Russell. Is that the one? Okay. That pretty unicorn. Javier Vasquez, 10th anniversary issue, 2010 edition. Alright, next hit, Julie Foudy relic from the U.S. soccer team. Chris Young, 10th anniversary issue from 2008. And our final pack here of the break. Yeah, those are ads for the code crackers. All right, that'll do it, RAP. Thank you very much.